Unlike its German rivals, Lexus has never played in the big sedan diesel game, opting instead to use hybrid technology. The 2018 Lexus LS 500 Hours, which made its debut at the 2017 Geneva Auto Show, is the automaker's second effort at a hybrid large sedan and uses the same powertrain as the 2018 LC 500 Hours Sports Coupe. That powertrain consists of 3.5-liter V6 that makes 295 horsepower compared with 415 horsepower from the 2018 LS 500's twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6. Combined with the hybrid motors, the LS 500 Hours S rating is 354 horsepower. Torque is 258 lb-ft, versus 415 lb-ft for the conventional engine. Like the LC, the LS has a bespoke Lexus multi-stage hybrid system with a 4-stage shifting device, essentially a 4-speed automatic that the company says feels and acts like the 10-speed automatic in the conventional gas-powered LS 500, plus 2 electric motors with a 310-volt, lithium-ion battery. The new car's battery is 20% smaller, yet denser, than the battery in the outgoing Lexus LS 600 Hours L. Lexus isn't talking fuel efficiency numbers or whether the big sedan will run for any amount of time on pure electric power, though it cites an in-house 060 miles per hour sprint of 5.4 seconds versus 4.5 seconds for the rear-wheel drive LS 500 and 4.8 seconds for the all-wheel drive LS 500. The hybrid will be available with RWD or AWD. Of course, well-oiled green consumers won't give up anything by adding an H to their Lexus LS 500s. Lexus touts its Emote-Nashi interior design, taking care of the driver and passengers, featuring hand-pleated door trim inspired by origami and glass ornamentation using Japanese kirika techniques, including myriad wood trims using sliced wood and laser cutting techniques. The LS 500 Hours goes on sale along with the rest of the LS line late this year. Show more.